You get this sound when you have the clutch. So right now I have the clutch pushed in. You listen. Sit there. So today we're gonna go drop the transmission and see what the fuck is up. Hopefully that picks up on this phone. Annoying as fuck. She shifts good and everything. But just... And there's no noise when I'm driving. It's just when it's in neutral. When I'm parked and then sitting in neutral. And you're gonna come to a stop sign up here. All the gears work great. You know, it goes through 1 through 5, no problem. Reverse, no problem. Right now the clutch is in. Come to a stop. Release. And that noise. That's it. Keep you posted.